Hello, my name is Saxon Novak. I am a product specialist here at Control Solutions. Today we're going to go over the min and max temperature auditing on the VFC800 SP temperature data logger. The process is very simple and the device does log 2 sets of min and max temperatures. It has a user resettable min and max temperature that you can reset daily if you would like to during your temperature audits. It also has a min and max temperature that is auto reset every night at midnight. So I will go through the process of how to reset the min and max manually on this data logger, as well as review the values that reset every night at midnight. So in order to review and reset the min and max on the VFC800 SP, you will simply, from the current temperature screen, you're going to press your review mark button one time, and that will show you the max temperature. If you press it again, it will show you the minimum temperature. Those values reset every night at midnight on their own. So to manually clear the min and max temperatures on the VFC800 SP, from the current temperature screen, you simply want to press and hold the review mark button. The device will give you a series of beeps, but once the min and max temperatures remain persistent dashes and the beeping is stopped, that's how we know the min and max has been cleared. And there you see the dashes where the min and max were previously have now cleared out. Upon the next sample, they will return, but they will match the current temperature and they will continue to change as the recording progresses throughout the day.